Hi, boys and girls. My name is Miss Ann, and today we are going to learn about something that is so cool. We're going to learn about surveys. Surveys are one of my favorite things, and we're going to learn about a really, really big survey, the United States Census. All right, so let's begin. And I'm just going to click right over here. Okay, so today in this lesson, we are going to learn to compare quantities, and we're going to say terms like more than and less than. And we're going to learn about analyzing data and trends. I wonder what those big words mean. Data, trends. And then we're going to learn about the importance of the 2020 census. Okay, so first we're going to look at this vocabulary word. So this word is survey. I mentioned it before. It's something that I love doing. So a survey is when you ask questions to a group of people and then you record the responses. So if you look at this picture here, this woman is filling out a survey and she's marking these answers. Here you can see a population of people filling out a survey and marking the answers. So this is with a pencil. Here she's using a pencil. Here's another type of survey that you can fill out online. So a survey is a list of questions and you get those answers from different people and you start looking and comparing what those answers are. So I surveyed my friends because, boys and girls, I told you I love surveying my friends. I love asking questions. And so I surveyed my friends because I really wanted to know what their favorite color was and which color was most popular. So here I made a little chart. I wrote their names and then I wrote their favorite colors. So we'll go through this chart right now. So Melissa's favorite color is blue. Raquel's favorite color is green. Carmen's favorite color is black. Sarah's favorite color is black. Brian's favorite color is pink. James's favorite color is red. Andres's favorite color is black. Maggie's favorite color is red. Santiago's favorite color is green. And Mary Helen's favorite color is pink. Pretty cool, huh? But you know, looking at this chart, it's kind of hard for me to compare the different quantities of data. Remember, boys and girls, one of our objectives today is to compare and see which, we're gonna compare quantities of data and see which is most, which is least. And this is a little bit difficult for me. So I might have to do something a little bit different with it. Let's see. Okay, so I talked about a vocabulary word, and this is data. So data is spelled D-A-T-A, data. And what it means, the definition is that it's facts represented by numbers. So we take all of that information that was in the chart that I just showed you, and we turn it into numbers, because then it's easier for us to compare and contrast the quantities. And after we turn those facts into numbers, we can also represent them using graphs and charts. So here, you've probably seen these at school, boys and girls, these different kinds of graphs and charts. So let's see what we can do with my data, because I really think it's hard to interpret. It's hard for me to figure out which is the most popular color and which is the least popular color. So let's check it out. Okay, so I tried something a little bit different. Here I have favorite color, and I listed the colors and I color coded them for you to see. So I have black, green, pink, blue, and red. And here I have number of people. And so instead of writing my friends' names, I use smiley faces to represent the number of times that a particular color was chosen. So here, 3 people chose black as their favorite color. 2 people chose green as their favorite color. 2 chose pink. 1 chose blue. And 2 chose red. So this is a little bit easier to interpret. Now I can start asking questions about my data because I can clearly see the quantities represented. So, which color is most popular? So I'm going to give you a moment. Look at the chart. Which color is most popular? If you said black, then you're correct because 3 people chose black, and I can see it has the largest quantity. Now, which color is least popular? That means not as many people chose that color. I'll give you a moment to look at the graph and see which color is least popular. If you chose blue, then you're correct because only 1 person selected blue as their favorite color. And then we can ask, what are the trends in the data? So trends is another big word, boys and girls, but you've probably heard it before. And maybe you heard it used in an example of a fashion trend. So what is trendy or popular? So trends are something that you see happening in the data. So I could say, the trends in my data here is that 2 people chose green, 2 people chose pink, and 2 people chose red. So that was a common, those were equally popular, those 3 colors. So that's another conclusion I could draw from my data. Pretty cool, huh? So, we mentioned something at the beginning of this lesson, which is the census. And then we started talking about surveys. Why did we start talking about surveys? Well, the U.S. Census is a really big survey, and it asks lots of questions. Here's even a picture of it, and you can see the survey questions right here. This survey is sent out to every household in the United States. Whoa, let me say that again. Every single household in the United States fills out this census. Pretty cool, huh? Now, this is a look at the data collected in the census. So this is our New Mexico data, and I got it from a website called census.gov. There's lots of cool things for kids on there, so check it out. So here is information all about children in the state of New Mexico. So we have information from 2010, the last time the census was taken, and then we have some additional data from 2018, and you can see the change in the data. Okay? And then here is information all about the number of kids who are 8 years old, 9 years old, and so on. And here's information about how people travel to work. So, you might want to try to survey your family. This is a fun activity you can do at home to practice your surveying skills and to collect some data. So you could graph, what kind of pet do you have? You could ask family and friends what kind of pets they have. Here's a really cool one, boys and girls, if you're looking for an activity to do this summer, is you can do a traffic survey and you can graph how many cars, trucks, motorcycles you see drive past your house. So, boys and girls, What I want you to do is remember to conduct a survey and also ask your family and friends if they have filled out the U.S. Census. Thank you for joining us today for At Home with APS. Bye.